Good morning to one and all. Dear students, already we have completed a few of the chemical reactions, that means preparation of carboxylic acids. In the last class we have prepared carboxylic acids from acid chlorides and anhydrides. The anhydrides, what happens, we have taken the example, that example as acetic anhydride. Acetic anhydride formula is C double bond O, like that, C double bond O and CS3, that means CS3CO twice O. This on hydrolysis definitely giving carboxylic acids. You may change CS3, instead of CS3 you have to use C6H5, it gives benzoic acid plus acetic acid. If you change CS3 both, that is giving benzoic acid only. Like that, you have to change that anhydride by taking R group, either alkyl or aryl. If you take both alkyl, it becomes alkyl acetic acid. If you take both aryl, it becomes aryl carboxylic acids, and if you take different of these two, one is alkyl, another is aryl carboxylic acids. Come to another method, that is from esters. This is said to be the last method of preparation of carboxylic acids. Very simple reaction. Already we discussed this in first year chemistry also. That is how esters are formed, or what do you mean the term esterification? Esterification meaning is said to be carboxylic acids, they react with alcohols or heated with alcohols in presence of acid as catalyst, esters are formed, or upon hydrolysis of esters definitely they are giving carboxylic acids in presence of acid. Acidic hydrolysis, product is directly carboxylic acid and alcohols. So instead of this R and R dash, we have to take our different groups and complete the examples. Come to know next one is basic hydrolysis. Same carboxylic acids, how they are prepared from esters in base, using base. Okay. What happens here? First, these esters reacts with base. Definitely they are giving salts of carboxylic acids, generally called as carboxylates. Now carboxylates plus alcohol. These carboxylates upon hydrolysis in acid media giving carboxylic acid, and again the base. Here the base is acting as a catalyst. You can say here the acid acting as a catalyst. Okay, so these are the very simple reactions for the preparation of carboxylic acids. And come to know the next is said to be some simple physical properties, as we already discussed in each and every organic compound's physical properties, but this is said to be somewhat different. Why? Because carboxylic acids are containing intermolecular and intramolecular hydrogen bonding. So due to this hydrogen bonding, if you compare the boiling point and solubility of carboxylic acids, definitely they are said to be having more, because hydrogen bonding exists between the two carboxylic acids or between the different molecules. Hence there is a strong bond association takes place. To break that hydrogen bond, more energy is needed. Therefore boiling point of carboxylic acids are said to be more compared to even alcohols. Alcohols are definitely containing hydrogen bonding, and aldehydes, ketones ಅವೆಲ್ಲದೂ ಕಂಪೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿದರೆ ಈ ಒಂದು ಕಾರ್ಬಾಕ್ಸಿಲಿಕ್ ಆಸಿಡ್ಸ್ ಬಾಯ್ಲಿಂಗ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ ಹೆಚ್ಚಿರ್ತೈತಿ. ಇನ್ನೂ ಒಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಮತ್ತೆ you can move further one step, that is said to be in vapor phase also the hydrogen bonding exists. Hence there is a formation of, you can say that, dimer, or in case of aprotic solvent, due to this strong hydrogen bonding, all these carboxylic acids are said to be existing as a dimer. This is because of strong intermolecular interaction between those hydrogen bonding among the molecules of carboxylic acid. Definitely two molecules are joining through hydrogen bonding, that is said to be dimer. Okay, and how the solubility takes place? Definitely, solubility means we are using in case of water existing of hydrogen bonding with carboxylic acids. Therefore, there is easily bond breaking between the hydrogen of water, and this molecule is entering into the water or dissolved into the water. Therefore, easy solubility of carboxylic acids in case of water. Okay, this is due to hydrogen bonding. If molecular mass goes on increases, definitely you can say that the solubility also decreases. But in general, what happens? The breaking of bonds is said to be taking place easily when carboxylic acids are added to water, due to again the formation of hydrogen bonding between the carboxylic acid molecules. Yes. So, I hope some are asking some questions that reaction mechanism of each and every step. I hope these are said to be need not be necessary. It is somewhat wasting of our time, which is necessary points. Definitely I am giving the notes. ಆ ನೋಟ್ಸ್ನ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ರಿಯಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಮೆಕ್ಯಾನಿಸಮ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಎಲ್ಲವೂ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಈಚ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಎವ್ರಿ ಈಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಪಾಸಿಬಲ್ ಟು represent on the board. Therefore, I will in detail take if any more times I had, and I will say about those reaction mechanisms. Just what are the important concepts you have to practice for that very clearly. Don't miss that time. Okay. So come to know next is said to be chemical properties. Chemical properties. In these chemical properties, definitely the word indicates that carboxylic acids means these are acidic in nature. Acidic in nature. If carboxylic acids are acidic in nature, generally acids how they react? Acids react with metals liberating hydrogen. Acids react with bases forming salts. Acids reacts with carbonates, bicarbonates forming or giving carbon dioxide, and so on. There are few acidic properties of these carboxylic acids. As well, carboxylic acids they turn red litmus to blue because of blue litmus to red because of acidic in nature. So like that I will represent some of the acidic properties of carboxylic acids, that is RCOOH, plus they react with metal, sodium metal. What is the product form? That product is nothing but RCOONA plus H2 gas is liberated. Okay. So definitely this is said to be acidic in nature. Come to know second one, that is said to be acids. Generally they are reacts with the bases, means NaOH. Product is salt, that is RCOONA plus H2O. This is a salt. Okay. And next is said to be third one, they react with bicarbonates liberating carbon dioxide. RCOOH plus NaHCO3. This is sodium bicarbonate. You have to take for each examples. What happens here? Definitely there is a formation of RCOONA is a carboxylate, sodium carboxylate, and the next is said to be CO2 is liberated, H and H, that means H2. Idrage one oxygen togondre ಏನಾಗ್ತೈತಿ H2O. Now main concept is liberation of carbon dioxide. So like that these are said to be acidic in nature. Okay. Come to know next one, that is said to be how these carboxylic acids undergoes dissociation and how they are stabilized by resonance structure. Dissociation. Okay. Definitely, I will take an acid HCl. It undergoes dissociation in aqueous media, forming the product H plus and Cl minus, aqueous and aqueous. Like that, the carboxylic acids RCOOH, they undergo dissociation in acid media, forming the product as undergo dissociation in aqueous media, forming the product as RCOO minus plus H plus, and this water is combined, that is you can take as H3O plus, or again they are combined carboxylate and hydrolysis in presence of acid giving carboxylic acids. So how this is said to be stabilized? Already we have discussed in the structure, that is this is CO minus. Definitely this is more electronegative than carbon. It takes electron and it becomes a plus. These electrons are said to be shifted to carbon because it is carbocation. Now it becomes CO minus and this is double bond. Like that, what happens? There arises a partial double bond character between these two oxygens. Hence, it is said to be resonance stabilized. Which is said to be resonance stabilized? You can say that more important properties about those. So, we will discuss the next class. Okay.